Welcome to the Night Vlog.
Olivia comes all the way from Manchester. She's going to be helping me with today's prize drawing. Now, inside this box, we've got all of your tickets. Take your raffle tickets out right now because we are going to do a quick fire raffle giveaway. We've got a pair of tickets for the Junkanoo Party Bus, Rum Mixology and Beach. It's a yellow ticket. 617. Whose ticket starts with 617? All of the tickets start with 617. 412. 412. Are you here? Going once. Going twice. Redraw. It was just a practice. It was a practice. Okay. 617 390. 390. Congratulations, my friend in stripes up there. Shore excursion tickets, people. A pair of tickets for the waterfalls of Dam Agua. It's the Adrenaline Adventure. 617 4. Grown-ups, please behave, okay? You know what number it is when I have to tell you that. 617 469.
Nice.
617 469. Are you just excited about the number or do you have the ticket? Where are you? Where are these people gone? Did someone just come in and give all of the tickets away? 617 469. Done. We're going again. I feel like someone's playing tricks on me today. I'm running out of tickets. 617 495 49. Yes! Oh my word. Normally the room is full of jealousy, but we're just excited that you're here so we can get on with the show. I can see we've got some YouTubers in the room making their videos. So everybody, after 3, you need to shout, like, and subscribe. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, like and subscribe.
All right, our first sea day is a wobbly one. The ship's listing pretty good.
I was very, very woozy this morning.
Did you take something to help with that?
Only a tiny, tiny bit of it.
We're in the aft restaurant, the festival restaurant, getting our sea day brunch on. It's actually like 11:30, so it's lunchtime now. But we haven't done a whole lot this morning. We slept in, so to speak, at least for our standards. I normally try to make our room get up really, really early, but we slept in, had a little bit of coffee, and went to the Ashore Fun Aboard show. Didn't win anything this time. Our luck has run out. Now we're gonna have some brunch, get our energy up. Can I have a marshmallow? Soggy marshmallow.
Oh dear.
I'm gonna go now.
You want to taste my banana pie?
Charlie's getting a little seasick over here. Hi, seasick. Getting some links in our chain. What are you thankful for? Write it down. See if we can make a full chain. Is it colder than yesterday?
Definitely warmer, but still really, really cold. I'm probably gonna get used to it faster than yesterday.
All right, we reached noon here on our sea day on the carnival celebration. We're hanging out at Summer Landing. This place is so close to our room, we're probably gonna end up being here a lot. Charlie's saying the water's still just a little bit too cold, but we're listing a whole lot on this ship right now, so the water's just really shuffling back and forth through this this pool. I think Charlie was just getting a little seasick. She's feeling a little bit better now that she's had some food in her stomach. We got half of a Dramamine in her system, got some water. Now she's ready to go swimming and she'll be active for the rest of the day, I'm sure. So I don't know what else we'll do this afternoon. It is elegant night tonight, so we'll be getting dressed here in just a little bit. We'll enjoy our afternoon. Mommy and Daddy might actually take advantage of night owls for the first time in a long time, just to enjoy some of the later festivities. I would let Brandy talk some, but she's currently experiencing flaming tomato stomach.
flaming tomato belly.
She said it was good, but I think she's just a little seasick too. What's nice about this cruise being 6 days, we've just got one sea day now, and then we're gonna have 2 port days back to back, then the sea day, and then a port day, and then back home to Miami's, which is a little weird. Normally you have your sea days at the beginning and the ending, and then you do all your ports and destinations in the middle. We're gonna be listing a lot today, I'm sure. I don't really get seasick, but Brandy does a little bit, and Charlie does too. We don't have to worry about that tomorrow or the next day.
My Dramamine will kick in here and then I'll be fine, but for now, it's really listing pretty intensely, so I'm gonna let my flaming tomato soup settle. Plus my banana cream pie. I don't even know.
She ate probably more of that than she should have. Let's see if I set up the camera for you. I can give a little time lapse, show how much we're moving back here in the aft of the ship. Might not be the best time to use these chairs, but once you get in the water, it's really not that cold. She is overreacting. It is really not that cold.
Plus I'm like floating out to sea in my chair. I'm unstable.
One more time for the camera.
It's 2 o'clock on our first sea day. We have 4 ducks lined up here.
Did you find these ducks?
No, these are ours. We're going to hide.
What do they say?
This is me. I'm a cute little flamingo.
Mm-hmm.
This is Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
We have him, he's a camouflage duck. We have Kelsey here, my cousin.
Oh, Kelsey.
Then we have Kendall here, my other cousin.
Oh,
sister.
Kendall.
We have one more, this duck we found.
Oh, yeah. Who hid this duck? Can you read the name?
Manette.
The Manette family from... Did they put where they're from? Sometimes we put where they're from. You know, we don't even have where we're from on there. No, not where they're from. All right, let's go hide these ducks, find a snack, and then we've got to rest up and get ready for elegant night. So we're on our level here on deck 9 in the elevator bank. And we're gonna put one way back here. And that way we can come check every time we come to our room to see if they find Charlie. And now Mom is looking to see, does anybody else do this? I think that's a good spot. You know what? People probably are interested in what these elevators are like. And they're very unique because they've got glass windows.
No music in this elevator.
To make our own.
I know, that's the last one I got out of. It's like,
Oh, we're already on 16? Wow, that's fast. Ooh, that's a good spot. Ooh, that's a good one.
Freeze. Oh my gosh, what's happening here? Who are you? I'm forward. Team number 2 on this side. Team number 3. Oh my god, I think we need to go start on this side because this looks getting good.
Perfect. Just like that.
That's your best cheer, go!
You want me to set one up there? Okay.
this is Randy, the pirate. Pirate. Excuse me.
New luggage tag.
Cute.
This is mine.
Okay.
Inaugural sailing.
Pretty cool.
Hey, I thought you didn't have eyes.
I put them back on.
I didn't see you do it. Lee told us, was it Lee?
Cruise Director Lee?
Cruise Director Lee? No, but was it him that told us or was it someone else? We are on the inaugural sailing. The maiden voyage is actually the transatlantic sailing across the ocean. So we can say we were on the inaugural sailing and not be lying because we weren't on the transatlantic.
Boom. It was the comedian last night that said that.
Was it him?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty cool.
All right, we are going to our new refresh room, tear it up with a nap, and get ready for elegant night.